today's video, we're going to be going over the best ways to learn SEO. I've been doing SEO since I started college, so about 4 years ago. And over the past 4 years, pretty much, I've progressed a lot. So these are some of the best ways, in my personal opinion, how I learned to become an SEO pro. The first one is starting an affiliate site or working with the client. When I first started SEO, I actually built out 2 or 3 different affiliate sites. And from that, I learned all the different tasks needed to rank the site. I learned some bad traits, which I later corrected with proper research. But going out there, I learned how to get content produced. I learned some of the different ranking factors, how to do keyword research, using between SEMrush, Ahrefs, all the different tools and stuff like that, tracking keywords. It was an experience. Through that, I lost like $2,000 or $3,000. But the thing about it is I learned that lifelong skill set of SEO. Unfortunately, I don't have the sites anymore, but it was a good starting the SEO. Now, if you don't have the budget to start an affiliate site, anything like that, one other way is going out there and working for free for someone. Whether that's doing an internship through an SEO, working for a company that does marketing, or just going out there for a local business and saying, hey, I want to learn SEO. I know you guys aren't ranking. I would like to do some free labor for you guys. And just, going out there, getting hands-on on a project is really going to help you progress with this. You can learn as much technical stuff out there as you want, but until you're actually out there working on a website, trying to improve its rankings and tracking those changes, you're not going to improve. Now that once you get that real-world experience, some of the best different places I personally like to use is some of the different SEO blogs, so whether it's like Search Engine Journal, Search Engine Land, Moz, they all produce content. They all weekly go out there and say, here's the new Google updates, here's what some of the different experts in the field are saying, and just reading through those. SEO does change a lot, but when you're in the industry and you read these blogs every single week, you'll notice subtle changes rather than something rapid, and just staying up to date is really, really important. And besides those blogs, I also do like checking out Reddit. There's a few different subreddits based around SEO. So just going on there, seeing what people are saying, asking questions about, just lets you know kind of where the industry is at. And sometimes they do have AMAs and stuff like that of some well-known SEOs, so you can go see their answers to some questions that people have. Now besides that, they're really good resources, YouTube. You're watching this video, so hopefully you guys subscribe to my channel and watch some other future videos. But there's some other people out there between like Chase Reiner, Roa Marino, Brian Dean, Neil Patel, all those people out here continue to produce content daily, weekly, and stuff like that. And they all have their different expert opinions on SEO and how it's been currently changing. So definitely check out some of these different channels and stay subscribed and stuff like that. And yeah, just go out there and read news every single week. But yeah, once you are working on actual projects and you continue to read all the different news and stay up to date, you're going to really progress with SEO. Like I said, I've learned so much the past few years. Looking back, what I first knew, it's kind of laughable. And I was pitching clients back then too, so I'm glad I didn't have a lot of clients back then. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video. And check down the description below for any important links. And I will see you guys in the next one.